is up, party people? Welcome to the Villages, Florida.
And this is On Tour with Kyle Jurassic.
There are golf courses, rec centers, a softball field, a woodworking shop, and even a lifelong learning college. There are 3 different town squares that hold nightly activities and over 2,700 social clubs, where residents can bond over where they grew up, gardening, dancing. There's even a Beatle Maniacs Club. In the Villages, we're performing at the Sharon L. Morse Performing Arts Center. This is another theater that's fairly new as it opened its doors in 2015. There are 2 spaces here, the main theater, which seats just over 1,000, and the Studio Tierra del Sol. It's a black box space that only seats 100. Over the course of the last 2 days, we played 3 performances here. The incredible Katie Lamarck, our Sherrie, called out for the first time on the tour, which meant that Brenna Wahl went on for Sherrie for both shows on Saturday. And she killed it. Knocked it out of the park.
Making her debut as Sherrie.
Yay!
Brenna Wahl.
That's me!
Killing it.
Yeah! Woo!
Which in turn meant that our fearless, incomparable dance captain, Zoe Unkovich, went on for waitress number 1, who also killed it.
On for waitress number 1 tonight. The incomparable Zoe Unkovich, ladies and gentlemen.
We had a great time rolling around in golf carts we rented, and even had the opportunity to cook for ourselves because our hotel rooms came with kitchenettes. What? That never happens. We had a great time playing for the Villages, and I think I might have found where I want to retire one day. Next stop, Fort Pierce, Florida. Thanks for coming out, chase your dreams, and cheers.